tornado warning that had been in effect for Logan County was just dropped by the National Weather Service in Louisville. But again, it remains in effect for both Butler and Warren counties, as we just now get a report of power out also in the Chandler's Chapel area that would be in northeast Logan County. So they're coming in left and right now, Chris.
All right, we're going to keep those tornado warnings going until at least 10 o'clock. So, folks, the next 17 minutes, we will remain under that tornado warning. Our anchors are going to come in, and they're at least going to get ready for 13 News at 10. But as long as we have severe weather, we're going to be here covering the weather for you guys in terms of what we have going on outside right now. But this tornado warning still including a large portion of central and northwestern Warren County right now. It does still include the city of Bowling Green. Now, if you live down in Alvaton and you're wondering about this, Alvaton not included in this. Woodbury is, or Woodburn, still included in this tornado warning. That's going to go all the way towards Plum Springs as well. The city of Bowling Green, the campus of Western Kentucky University, under this tornado warning. Lots of folks without power. No word if we have power lines down or any trees down just yet. If you hear of that, please report it to us. Don't take a picture of it, but if you hear of that, make sure that we know of it so that we can get that reported to officials so we can get some damage survey rest of Bowling Green as of now. We're going to keep a very close eye on this one. This is around the Plum Springs community, a little bit to the north and west between Greencastle. We'll watch that one. So far, it's not overly impressive, but we'll keep a close eye on that as that moves on through. But most of this is a heavy rain threat. Now moving to the east of Bowling Green in terms of the heaviest rain and the wind, and the greatest rotation really starting to weaken just a little bit. Some areas of weak rotation embedded in that we'll keep a close eye on. The damaging wind threat once again approaching I-65 from the Natural Parkway south through Simpson County towards Franklin, and we're going to watch that over the next several minutes as this pushes on through as well. We've got another 10 minutes on that tornado warning. We'll see if the Weather Service decides to expand that as we go through the next 10 minutes, but of course we do want to make sure that everyone is in their safe places. You're through Warren County right now. Until we get the all clear from the Weather Service on what's coming down, we want to make sure that no one is necessarily taking their chances. Shane has more information for us. Shane, what have you got?
Yeah, report now of some power outages beginning to show up on the east side of the city, now closer to I-65. Also in the Plano community, report of some gusty winds, heavy rain there. That's going to be working now into the Alvaton area. Graphically in a moment. That of the city, now closer to I-65. Also in the Plano community, report of some gusty winds, heavy rain there. That's going to be working now into the Alvaton area shortly. And also, we are getting reports of the Hopkinsville area. More significant damage there earlier, as we have a new severe thunderstorm warning. This is coming down for sections of Barron, Edmondson, Hart, Metcalf, and Warren counties. I'll show this to you graphically in a moment. That is a severe thunderstorm warning now. That's going to go until the bottom of the hour at 10:30.
All right, so there it is. The new severe thunderstorm warning, and this is going to in Hart counties right now to track these showers and thunderstorms through the area. Shane, the tornado warning still up for now for at least the next 4 minutes. But what do you have for us?
I do want to remind everybody, for those that can't watch television right now, seeking shelter, we are simulcasting our coverage on SAM 100.7 FM here in Bowling Green, and power outages, they continue to roll in here. Now getting word of power outages in Plum Springs. That would be on the northeast side of the city, as the line has just come through there. Also reports of power outages in the Auburn area as the line came through there about a half an hour or so ago. So Barron County heads up for you. Hart County heads up for you. Expect some power outages as the wind will gust 50 to 60 miles an hour. Perhaps some down trees, perhaps some down power lines. But again, right now, the good news at the moment is that we don't see anything tornadic out of this line. We hope to keep it that way.
Absolutely, we do. And then of course, we have seen lots of structural damage to the south and west. It looks like so far no reports of some structural damage in Warren and Butler counties, which is good news. But nonetheless, as these damaging winds continue to roll on through, we could see lots of downed power outages or